Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to fix repost option not showing on TikTok. It's very easy guys. So if you don't have the repost feature, there are two things you could do to get the repost feature. Alright, so the first one is to make sure your TikTok application is updated. Alright, so how can you do that? You just have to simply go to Google Play Store or App Store and update your TikTok application. So once you go to Play Store or App Store, just search for TikTok, and then you see the option to update. As you can see right there, I can just hit the update button and update my TikTok app. Right, so once your TikTok application is updated, you are likely to get the repost feature. But if after doing that you still don't have the repost feature, there's something else you can do. You can just come to your TikTok profile and click on the three lines at the top right corner, then go to settings and privacy. After that, you have to scroll down and click on report a problem. Alright, so once you click on that, you have to scroll down until you see suggestions. Click on suggestions, and then you wait for it to load up. It takes few seconds. Okay, so yeah, at the bottom it says, is your problems resolved? Click on no, and then you can now give TikTok a feedback by clicking on need more help. So once you click on need more help, you can now explain what your problem is and submit. So yeah, I can say I need the repost feature, please. Right, after that, click on submit on the bottom of your screen, and that will be submitted. So once that is submitted, probably TikTok will get back to you and fix it for you. Alright, so that's how you can actually fix repost option not showing on TikTok. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this.